Hey everybody, Standell, President of Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Here we are, happy 4th of July, shooting this video on the 4th up here from the mountains of North Carolina. Up here doing some final planning for the mountain drive coming up in October. And just sort of scoping the last things out, getting the last minute plans, last details hammered out. And we have a lot going on. I know the summer heat's on us, but we have a ton of activities going on in the next couple months. And so I've got to read this one off the list. We've got so many things planned here. So this Saturday, the 6th, if you're around Sarasota Cars Coffee, Lochlann is our new area governor there, taking over for Rob. Rob's doing a few other things for us. But Lochlann's stepping in, and Saturday we recognize with the heat, hey, we're switching it up. We're doing some cold drinks Saturday morning, so come on out and share a nice cold beverage with us, and should have some fun. Jacksonville on the 13th, Cafeine Octane. We've got Keeble going on up there, and Al holding down the fort, Caffeine and Octane in Jacksonville the 13th. Anthony and Deb holding down the fort down in Naples on the 14th, Carson Coffee, South Naples. So it should be still a really good turnout for that event. On the 16th, we have Panama City, Chris and Margaret, Bimmers and Dinner on the 16th. And on the 20th, we have Fort Myers Cars and Coffee. So a lot of things going on there. Be sure to check the non-FSC events that are going on. We have a ton of things in that list. We're just showing you things that are out there just in case you want to come and do those things. I have 3 more spaces for the BMW Performance Center Drive on October the 10th. So if you're interested in that, it's $500. We have 27 folks enrolled. This will finish up. We have 30 spots that we can fill. So if you're interested in getting in on that, you need to let me know. If you're interested in getting in on that, then you also can get an invitation to the October mountain drive. Just checked with the hotel that we have a few extra rooms left. So if you want to put those 2 events together, go to Greer South Carolina Performance Center, do that. And then we go straight up to the mountains of North Carolina for a long weekend of different drives and things going on up there. So a lot going on, a lot of planning happened, people all over the place, and you know, we're doing what we do. That's what we do. So look for that. And then next time we are on camera, we're going to tell you a little bit about the X chapter and some things they're doing in the late fall, and pathways back to Greer, South Carolina from Florida area. So stay tuned, a lot happening. Until then, happy motoring, y'all. See you soon. Bye.